Welcome back.
How are you doing?
It's good to see you again.
Is your holidays going well, or
are they okay?
Let us know in the comments.
Are you okay?
You need to get some special numbers to get you through it. We got them.
Special numbers.
Special numbers, like 900 numbers.
Okay. Sure, that sounds good.
You gotta help me out here. Come on, I'm trying to get a business off the ground.
You need to be helped.
I've got bills to pay. Okay.
Well, we have a very special recipe here from Brent's mom, Beth.
Shout out to Beth. We love you so much.
We love you very much, and we're so glad that you provided us your peach cobbler recipe. And this looks fire. Like just the raw ingredients alone look fire. Well, let's get into it.
It's real easy. It's gonna take 2 cans of peaches. I assume this size because
I hope you're right.
I hope I'm right too.
They seem kind of small, but I hope you're right.
They seem a little small, but maybe not.
Yeah. So you're gonna make sure your pan is greased. Either spray with whatever oil or put a little bit of vegetable oil in there and spread it out. So let's go ahead and pour those peaches in there.
2 cans of peaches
with the syrup.
With syrup. I got real juice though, so maybe I made a mistake. Yeah, look at that.
That's not a lot of peaches.
Those look like, no, that's enough peaches. That looks like real peach.
Start with the can. A 1/4 cup of light brown sugar. So we're gonna sprinkle this over here.
Get it.
Oh yeah.
Look at that sweet goodness.
Mm-hmm. Yes, just juicy. Ooh.
I'm just in awe right now. I have no idea what to say.
We don't know what's
It's
gonna
just
happen.
like, I've never made a cobbler, and I feel this is the one to get me going.
This is it right here.
This is the one that's jumpstart the entire process.
All right, so
cobbler fiend.
Now we're doing a sprinkle of cinnamon. So this is like the first layer of the cobbler. So
really, you can sprinkle it as much or as little as you want. It's up to you.
We like a lot of cinnamon in here, so there you go.
Get that spice going.
Bam! All right.
Pour this yellow cake mix. 1 bag of yellow cake mix coming right up.
Spread it out.
I'm trying. I'm trying.
Do better. Do better.
I'm trying. Okay.
Do better.
This is as best as I can get. Okay.
Okay. All right. So we got that all spread out, and now we're gonna put even more brown sugar on there for the second layer.
Now she did say in the recipe that you can kind of mix things around a little bit before the final layer of cinnamon. See that?
I did not see that, but go ahead.
And we'll do it. We'll do a little bit of mixins, and we'll get that mix going. She said use the bottom of the spoon. I'm gonna believe her.
Because she's a smart lady.
I don't know why she said use the bottom of the spoon, but I'm not gonna question because she is a smart lady.
Yes, and she's made this way more than we have, so.
Yeah. Let's see if this works, because I'm excited about it.
All right, here we go. More cinnamon. And then it's time for the best part. The
ready?
butter.
Let's hear it. Oh, well, we're just gonna do a drum roll.
It's too late.
Yeah, I know it's too late. I know it's too late. I'll put that there.
I'll throw that over here.
Hands are clean. Always keep your hands clean, especially during these times. Everybody.
Don't be nasty. Wear a mask and wash your hands.
Yeah, nasty. Now, big.
Look,
now help me
this
out
is
here.
just, ooh.
There's some cream going on, and it's not on this plate. If you get what I'm saying.
Okay. Okay. Way to take it there.
I'm excited because of Kerrygold sweet cream butter.
Sweet cream grass-fed cow butter.
We want that sponsorship. We're coming for it. Put that there. Shove it right there.
Put that right there.
It's gonna go right there. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we're gonna put it in the oven.
If there's anything Shea knows besides drums, it's butter placement. That's important. You don't learn that in school. They don't teach that anymore.
It's true. An hour. And here it is, the peach cobbler. Oh, I'm actually like.
Are you hooked?
Yeah. I'm
hooked on phonics. Oh my.
Yeah.
It looks like a cobbler. Go figure.
Beautiful. We're gonna shut this because we're good stewards.
Now, did it say to wait? I don't remember if it said to wait or not.
It didn't say anything about waiting, so why wait?
It seems a little cakey, but you know what?
But we did put cake mix in there.
We did put cake mix in, so there's cobbler, peach cobbler. I'm working on it. Okay.
You're in progress. Yeah. All right.
It's steaming. We're
There's
using the guitar.
Finished product. Mama Beth's peach cobbler. So easy, so delicious. Well, we're going to find out. This is going to be mad hot.
This is going to be stupid hot. We're going to give our first impressions right now on the Brent's Mama's peach cobblers.
It is really good though. Make this right now, today. Like, go to the store. You throw the bowl at the camera? What are you doing? Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Please make it. Thank you for joining us on another edition of whatever we're calling this. Bye!
My mouth is on fire. God.